You may have seen our launch email, Porcelain.
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 Porcelain. This is new.
Now, these are supported with Federal Brace shelf brackets, box style shelves, super high-end luxury products with brackets you can trust. Now, I know you think the shelf is really, really cool, but my favorite part is the floating shelf bracket. We're back in our warehouse in Belmont, North Carolina, and we're gonna show you how to install one. We've got Caroline on the job. She was working hard here. How's that look?
Level.
Innovation is at the heart of everything we do at Federal Brace, and that led us to partnering with Moderna for these porcelain products. Now, we don't just have this for a floating shelf, we also have this for floating mantels, and we have it in white, we also have it in black, meaning that you can design your space however you'd like with white or black porcelain from Federal Brace. Now, you might be wondering, what's the advantage to using porcelain for a floating shelf or floating mantel? This porcelain box here is heat resistant, UV resistant, scratch resistant, and stain resistant. Water will not seep into the surface, so it's perfect for indoor or outdoor applications. Now, when you purchase a floating shelf kit from Federal Brace, it's gonna come with a shelf, it's gonna come with your bracket, and it's gonna come with fasteners, but it'll also come with a tube of silicone. And what you're gonna use that for is you're gonna put a bead of silicone along the back edge of the bracket and on the forward flanges. And when you slide your shelf in place, you're gonna put something heavy on it for 24 hours, and you're gonna get 200 pounds of carry capacity every single time.
Visit us at federalbrace.com for more information about porcelain as well as all of our other amazing products. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.